Have you ever pondered on the myriad of unexplored facts that this universe holds? Our world is a treasure trove of peculiarities, a cornucopia of bizarre truths that may seem more like fiction than reality. From the quietest room on the planet to the fact that bananas are berries, we're surrounded by oddities that are strange but true. And these facts, these nuggets of knowledge, they're not just trivia. They're keys to understanding the world around us in a whole new light. Get ready to dive into the ocean of strange but true facts. Imagine a place so quiet you can hear your own organs working. Sounds a bit unnerving, doesn't it? Yet such a place does exist, and it's known as the world's quietest room. Tucked away in the heart of Minnesota, USA, lies a unique chamber known as an anechoic chamber, built by a company called Orfield Laboratories. The word anechoic means without echo, and that's precisely the experience this room provides. It's so silent that the background noise measured is actually negative decibels, at negative 9.4 decibels to be exact. But how is this profound silence achieved? The answer lies in the room's construction. The chamber is double-walled, made of insulated steel and a foot-thick concrete. The walls, floor, and ceiling are covered with sound-absorbing wedges that are 3 feet deep. These wedges are made of fiberglass, a material known for its excellent sound absorption properties. It's designed to absorb all sound waves, even those coming from the person inside the room. The room is so quiet that you can hear your own heart beating, your lungs drawing breath, and your stomach gurgling. It's a unique experience that not everyone can handle. Some people even report experiencing hallucinations in the room due to the lack of sensory input. The silence is so profound that it can be disorienting. But why would anyone build such a room? The anechoic chamber is used for a variety of purposes. It's a vital tool for companies testing audio products, as it allows them to isolate and measure sound without any interference. It's also used for psychological experiments to study the effects of sensory deprivation. In a world that's constantly buzzing with noise, the idea of such profound silence might seem alien. But it's a fascinating reminder of how our perception of the world around us is shaped by our senses. And it's a testament to human ingenuity and our quest to push the boundaries of our understanding. So if you ever want to listen to your own heartbeat, you know where to go. Ever thought of bananas as berries? Sounds strange, doesn't it? But it's one of those quirky truths that botany tosses our way. In the world of plants and fruits, things aren't always what they seem. So what is a berry, technically speaking? In botanical terms, a berry is a fleshy fruit produced from a single ovary of an individual flower. The seed or seeds are embedded in the flesh of the ovary. The ovary wall or pericarp is typically fleshy, sometimes tough or hardened, like the pit of a peach or cherry. Now let's consider our yellow friend, the banana. Under this definition, a banana is a berry. It's a fruit produced from a single ovary, the banana plant's flower to be precise. The seeds are small and not always noticeable, but they're there, embedded in the soft, sweet flesh we all enjoy. You might be wondering, why don't we usually consider bananas as berries? That's because in everyday language, we tend to classify fruits by taste and texture, rather than their botanical definitions. We think of berries as small, juicy fruits like strawberries, blueberries, or raspberries. But here's another surprise. None of these fruits are technically berries. Strawberries are aggregate fruits, and blueberries and raspberries are examples of simple fruits. It's a mind-bending twist, isn't it? This is one of those instances where common usage and scientific terminology don't quite align. But it does make you appreciate the fascinating complexity of nature and the way it refuses to be boxed into our human-made categories. So next time you peel open a banana, take a moment to appreciate its true identity. You're not just enjoying a tasty fruit, you're munching on a botanical marvel, a berry that doesn't look or taste like what we typically consider a berry. So next time you eat a banana, remember you're technically eating a berry. What if I told you there's a creature with 3 hearts? Yes, that's right, 3 hearts. Not 1, not 2, but 3. And the creature that possesses this extraordinary feature is none other than the octopus. Octopuses are remarkable creatures, known for their intelligence, their ability to change color and shape, and their mastery of camouflage. But one of their most fascinating features is their 3 hearts. These cephalopods, part of the mollusk family, use their hearts in a way that's as unique as their 8-armed bodies. 2 of the hearts, known as branchial hearts, are used to pump blood to each of the octopus's 2 gills. These branchial hearts stop beating when the octopus swims, explaining why these creatures prefer to crawl rather than swim, as the exertion leaves them exhausted. The 3rd heart, known as the systemic heart, pumps blood to the rest of the octopus's body. But here's the catch. This heart stops beating when the octopus swims. That's a little like us deciding to hold our breath every time we take a run. It's a strange quirk of biology, but then again, octopuses are full of surprises. It's also worth noting that octopus blood is blue, not red like ours. That's because it's copper-based, rather than iron-based like in humans. This copper-based blood, known as hemocyanin, is more efficient at transporting oxygen in cold, low-oxygen environments, making it perfect for the octopus's aquatic lifestyle. So what can we learn from the octopus's 3 hearts? Well, for one, it's a reminder of the incredible diversity of life on our planet. It's a testament to evolution's ability to find unique solutions to the challenges of survival. And it's a reminder that nature, in all its forms, is endlessly fascinating. So the next time you see an octopus, remember that beneath its cool, calm exterior, there are 3 hearts pumping away, fueling this amazing creature's exploration of its underwater world. And here we are, beating with just 1 heart. Ever wondered why honey never spoils? It's a question that has intrigued many over the years, and the answer lies in the perfect combination of nature's ingenuity and science. Honey, that sweet golden elixir produced by industrious bees, has an almost eternal shelf life. But why is that? Well, honey's longevity can be attributed to a few key factors. First off, it's the bees themselves. When bees gather nectar, they add an enzyme called glucose oxidase. Once back at the hive, they fan their wings to evaporate and thicken the nectar, a process that creates 2 byproducts, hydrogen peroxide and gluconic acid. Hydrogen peroxide, a well-known antiseptic, serves as a line of defense against bacteria and other microorganisms. On the other hand, gluconic acid lowers the pH of honey, making it too acidic for most bacteria or other microbes to survive. But that's not all. Honey is also hygroscopic, meaning it has the ability to absorb and hold onto water molecules from its surroundings. But with its low water content, any yeast or microbes that end up in honey will be deprived of the moisture they need to survive and reproduce. Essentially, honey is dehydrating bacteria to death. Moreover, honey contains a treasure trove of compounds that inhibit the growth of bacteria, such as flavonoids, phenolic acids, and lysozyme. And let's not forget about the propolis, or bee glue, a resinous substance bees use to seal their hives, which has antimicrobial properties. So the next time you drizzle that golden syrup over your pancakes or stir it into your tea, remember that you're making use of a substance that's been around for millennia. It's a testament to the incredible design of nature and the hard work of our buzzing friends, the bees. In conclusion, honey is a marvel of nature and science, a sweet testament to the wonders of the natural world. With its acidic nature, low water content, and antimicrobial properties, honey is practically immortal. So that jar of honey in your pantry might just outlast you. Imagine a place where a day lasts longer than a year. Welcome to Venus, the second planet from the Sun and our closest planetary neighbor. Venus is a world of extremes. It has a hellish atmosphere with temperatures that can melt lead. But one of the most peculiar things about Venus is its day-night cycle. A day on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to rotate once on its axis, is a staggering 243 Earth days. That's right, if you were standing on the surface of Venus, you would experience a sunrise only once every 243 Earth days. Now let's talk about a Venusian year. A year on Venus, the time it takes for the planet to orbit the Sun, is about 225 Earth days. That's less than the time it takes for Venus to rotate once on its axis. So how is this possible? This is due to the planet's incredibly slow rotation speed. Venus rotates on its axis at a leisurely pace of just 6.5 kilometers per hour, the slowest of any planet in our solar system. For comparison, Earth rotates at about 1,670 kilometers per hour. This slow rotation speed has some peculiar effects. For one, Venus's long day-night cycle means that the sun rises in the west and sets in the east, opposite to what we experience here on Earth. But remember, Venus isn't a place you'd want to spend a day or a year. With surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead, a crushing atmospheric pressure, and clouds of sulfuric acid, it's not exactly a vacation destination. And yet, it's these extreme and peculiar conditions that make studying Venus so interesting. They challenge our understanding of planetary science and cause us to rethink our place in the universe. Makes our 24-hour day seem quite short, doesn't it? Let's take a moment to revisit these mind-boggling facts. We started our journey today in the world's quietest room, a place so silent it can cause hallucinations. Imagine being in a place so devoid of noise that you can hear your own heartbeat, your stomach gurgling, and even your blood rushing through your veins. It's almost as if the silence is loud, isn't it? A room where the decibel level is -9. Let that sink in. Then we moved on to the seemingly mundane world of bananas, only to uncover a surprise. Our yellow crescent-shaped friends are in fact berries. It's a curveball from Mother Nature, isn't it? The bananas we casually peel and eat are botanically classified as berries, while the strawberries we cherish are not. It's a twist in the tale of fruits, one that might have you questioning what you thought you knew about your kitchen pantry. We journeyed further into the realm of strange but true facts, landing in the underwater domain of the octopus. This 8-armed marvel of the ocean has not 1, not 2, but 3 hearts. Talk about having a big heart. Each of these hearts has a specific role, contributing to the creature's survival in the vast and often hostile ocean depths. The octopus, it seems, wears its hearts on all its sleeves. From the depths of the ocean, we ventured into the sweet, golden world of honey. This natural sweetener has a secret. It never spoils. Even after thousands of years, honey remains edible, a testament to nature's incredible preservative power. It's a fact as sweet as the substance itself, a testament to the marvels of the natural world. Finally, we took a trip to our neighboring planet Venus, where a day is longer than a year. That's right, Venus spins so slowly on its axis that it takes longer to complete one rotation than it does to orbit the sun. Imagine having to wait over 200 Earth days for the sun to rise and set once. Now that's a long day. And those were some of the strange but true facts that our universe holds. Each one a testament to the endless wonders and peculiarities of our world and beyond. So keep exploring, keep questioning, and remember, sometimes the truth is stranger than you could ever imagine. It's amazing how much we don't know, isn't it? It's a vast universe out there, brimming with countless mysteries and marvels that beg for our attention. Each fact we've shared today, whether it was about the deafening silence of the world's quietest room, the surprising classification of bananas as berries, or the intriguing triple heart anatomy of octopuses, they all serve as reminders of the boundless wonders that lie within and beyond our everyday perception. The world is a trove of peculiarities, with honey that refuses to spoil and a planet where a day outlasts a year. These aren't just random facts. They are intriguing glimpses into the extraordinary complexities of our universe, challenging us to question, learn, and seek more. So let's not stop here. The pursuit of knowledge is never-ending, and every discovery leads us to more intriguing mysteries. Stay curious, keep exploring, and you'll be amazed at what you discover.